Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMS Punjab 2021. Before starting this discussion, मैं ये बात वाज़ह करती चलूँ कि किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में इंग्लिश ऐसे राइटिंग के लिए कैंडिडेट्स को रेलिवेंट आइडियाज़ और परफेक्ट यूज़ ऑफ लैंग्वेज के ज़रिए आर्ग्यूमेंट डेवलप करना पड़ता है। और हमारे यहाँ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में इनएप्रोप्रिएट यूज़ ऑफ आर्टिकल एक नहायत ही कॉमन मिस्टेक है, जिसकी वजह से ना सिर्फ आपका राइटिंग एक्सप्रेशन ख़राब होता है बल्कि आपके आर्ग्यूमेंट के मीनिंग्स भी बदल जाते हैं। इस वीडियो में आपके सामने आर्टिकल के प्रॉपर यूज़ के लिए कुछ रूल्स वाज़ह करती हूँ। लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द स्टडी ऑफ आर्टिकल। व्हाई एंड वेयर डू वी यूज़ आर्टिकल? In a correct grammatical arrangement of a sentence, in conversation and writing, we use article to point out or refer to nouns. So there are two articles, the words a or an and the. There is no difference in the meaning of indefinite article a or an. A or an called indefinite because it leaves indefinite the person or a thing spoken of. Hence, sound of a word determines the use of article. We use an before a word which begins with a vowel sound. For example, an enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an hour, an honest man, and an ire. We use a before a noun which begins with a consonant sound such as a boy, a reindeer, a woman, a yard, a horse, a hole, also a university, a union, a European, a U, a unicorn, a useful article, because these words begin with a consonant sound. Next comes definite article, that is the. There are two traditions of its pronunciation. Normally, it is pronounced with a short sound, the. With a vowel sound noun, it is pronounced as the. And also, in emphatic cases, to emphasize on particular word, it is pronounced as the. Indefinite article is used in its original numerical sense of 1, such as 12 inches make a foot. Not a word was said. Moreover, in the vague sense of a certain, such as one evening a beggar came to my door. In the sense of any, to single out an individual as the representative of a class, such as a pupil should obey his teacher. In this example, a pupil is representing all students or the class. Indefinite article is used to make a common noun of a proper noun, such as a Daniel comes to judgment. A Daniel is supposedly a very wise man, so he is made as a proper noun. Now comes definite article, the. A general perception about definite article is that it is used when we need to specify something. But there are some defined conditions for the proper use of a definite article. It is used when we talk about a particular person or thing, or when already referred to, such as the book you want is out of print. Question is which book? The one you want, that is the context. So in this sentence, definite article defines the context of the book. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, as the cow is a useful animal, or we may also write it in a way, cows are useful animals. We use definite article before some proper names, such as the Sahara, before the group of islands, as the West Indies, before mountain ranges such as the Himalayas, the Alps, before a very few names of countries which include words like republic and kingdom, such as the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom, also the Ukraine, the Netherlands, and its seat of government, The Hague. Definite article is also used before the names of certain books, such as the Holy Quran, the Iliad, the Ramayana. We also write Homer's Iliad, Valmiki's Ramayana. Here article is omitted as in case of apostrophe. We use the before names of things unique of their kind, such as the sun, the sky, the ocean, the sea, the earth. Sometimes the is placed before a common noun to give it a meaning of an abstract noun, such as at last the warmer, the warlike or martial spirit in him was thoroughly aroused. We use definite article before a proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective or a defining adjectival clause, such as the Mr. Roy whom you met last night is my uncle. In this sentence, whom you met last night is defining adjectival clause which is explaining it. We use definite article with superlatives. Superlative is the third degree of adjective. For example, the darkest cloud has silver lining. This is the best book of elementary chemistry. We also use definite article with ordinals, such as he was the first man to arrive. We use definite article before musical instruments, such as he can play flute, before an adjective when the noun is understood, such as the poor are always with us. We use definite article before a noun with emphasis to give the force of a superlative, as the verb is the word. So the word here is used to make it a chief word, right? The verb is the word in a sentence. Definite article is also used as an adverb with comparatives such as the more, the merrier. The more they get, the more they want. Next important point is where we do not use any article. The two nouns, man and woman, can be used in general sense without either article. For example, man is the only animal that uses fire. Next is woman is man's mate. So the article is also omitted before names of substances and abstract nouns such as uncountable nouns, which are used in general sense. For example, wisdom is the gift of heaven. Honesty is the best policy. We do not use article with wisdom and honesty here before plural countable nouns when they are used in a general sense, such as children like chocolates. Computers are used in many offices. We do not use article before most proper nouns except those who are referred earlier. With names of people in general nominations such as Gopal, Rahim, Samina, Aisha. So with names of continents, countries and cities, we do not use any articles, for example, Europe, Pakistan, Sheikhupura, etc. Any article is not used with names of individual mountains such as Mount Everest and individual islands, lakes and hills, etc. Except specific cases, we do not use articles before names of meals when used in a general sense, such as what time do you have lunch? The dinner we had at the tourist hotel was very nice. Second is the example of a specific case here. We do not use article before naming languages. Similarly, any article is not used before common nouns except specific cases such as school, college, university, church, bed, hospitals. Article is not used before names of relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, and also cook and nurse, meaning our cook and our nurse. We omit article before predicative nouns denoting a unique position, such as a position that is normally held at one time by one person only, such as he was elected chairman of the board. Article is also not used with certain phrases consisting of a transitive verb followed by its object, such as to catch fire, to take breath, to give battle, to take offense. So guys, it was all about the use of article. Thanks for watching. हमारे साथ रहिएगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम ऐसे राइटिंग के दौरान ट्रांजिशनल एडवर्ब्स के सही इस्तेमाल पे बात करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज.